Here's a pair of the TOZO NC3 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a iPhone via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put this in pairing mode, okay? So once you take the buds out, we'll know that it's in pairing mode if one of the buds is blinking white very slowly and super dimly, okay? I don't see any white light blinking or any lights on here. The reason is because I'm currently paired to another phone here, okay? This is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Let me go to settings here. I'm gonna go to connections and I'm gonna go to Bluetooth here, and you can see I'm currently paired right now. So what I'm gonna do is turn Bluetooth off, okay? And as soon as I turn that off, now these should be in pairing mode. Now only one of them is gonna blink white, very dim, okay? And you can see that little tiny white light. It's super hard to see, okay? But only one of the buds is blinking white. It's in pairing mode, okay? So now let me hurry up and get to my iPhone here, and I'm gonna go to settings, and then we're gonna go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and that little spinny thing down there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. These are still in the pairing mode. I found the NC3s right there. I'll tap on that. Give it 1 second, and voila, we are now connected, ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues, can't put it in a pairing mode or connecting or pairing problems, you can always factory reset these as well. If you need to do that, look below in the link in the description area.